friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of August the 4th to the 10th. And we have another week with free shampoos. So this is, at the very least, you're going to want to do the free shampoo deal because it is really fantastic. And don't we all love getting free shampoo? So this ad, there's lots of very respectful deals. I'm happy with everything that I saw. There is one wrinkle to this, and I'll address it in a quick second. Go into your digital coupons folder, guys, and load this progressive booster, which is to make 6 purchases of $40 or more, get back $25 in Walgreens cash, and it's a month-long progressive. So if the month heats up and we're in there all the time, you might be able to knock this one out of the park very quickly. Now, this is the booster I got on both of my store cards, 12 back when you spend $60 for starting on Sunday. It is a very steep amount, even for $12, but with the digital coupons, maybe I could swing something. I think it's kind of rich. I know a couple of you have a 10 back when you spend 30, so we'll have to figure something out. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital manufacturers, will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday, August the 4th. And don't forget, if you're not even going to do the shopping, load the digital coupons. You can do it through the actual weekly ad, probably the easiest way. If you can't navigate the app, just the plus sign, just add them all that way. Lots of really fantastic clearance still found at Walgreens. Pairing it with digital coupons in that skincare aisle, I found this acne scrub after the digital. It was like 29 cents. So I made a video looking at some skincare that's really cheap. If that's your thing, you might want to check out that skincare aisle if you're at Walgreens this weekend. And then yesterday is the first day of the Dollar General clearance event. I made a video of my haul, and I went again last night, and I'm still finding so much stuff, guys, because a lot of people aren't interested. This might be your opportunity to score really big. I'll link that video at the very end. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, really helps out the channel to ensure that this video gets out there and the video does well. If you could take a quick second and like the video, I would so appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, so the free shampoo, I think, again, will be the Dove for $4 or $5, depending how it's priced. We have usually a 5 off 2 like last time. $5 reward when you buy 2. Now, with this digital coupon, last time it vanished, then it came back. Loading it through the weekly ad is probably the easiest way, where you just hit the plus sign to load your coupon, but make sure you load that on Sunday. Grabbing 2 of the $4 shampoos, that'll be 8 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay 3. Get back a $5 register reward, making this free and a $2 money maker. And as I explained, the last time they had this deal, I think it was like 2 weeks ago, this is exactly how the math shaked out. It was a little $2 moneymaker and free Dove shampoo. And I really recommend to load that coupon on Sunday. And also on Sunday, we're going to see how this deal shakes out. And then check your Fetch Rewards app. I have a progressive, like spend 30 on Nexus Dove, get back like 5 or something like that. So photograph it to that. And if you want to use Walgreens cash, if you're doing this deal with no booster, absolutely go for it. Next fantastic shampoo deal is on the Garnier. Usually they give us both a Fructis and a Whole Blends coupon. We'll have to wait and see Sunday if it's a combined or if they do it separately. But grabbing 2 of these shampoos, it'll be 8. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay 5. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $2 for 2 or $1 per Garnier. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And if you consider that Dove deal and this deal, your $2 moneymaker, it would be like 4 bottles for free if you look at the math. The Colgate $4 products we're going to be looking for, we're going to have probably a $2 digital on a brush and a paste. So here's the math for this one. Grabbing 2 $4 products, that's 8. Subtracting 2 $2 digitals, you're going to have to load those on Sunday. You'll pay out 4. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. 50 cents is not a bad price point. We haven't had like the big freebies on dental care in a couple of weeks, but if you need it, that's not a bad price point. Head and Shoulders for $6. These are the more smaller bottles, but if you need this, by all means, Grabbing 2 Head and Shoulders at $6 a pop, that's $12. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $9. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $6 for 2 or $3 per. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And with that $60 monster, I think a lot of us are like, I'm not doing that. It's just going to be a week for some cheapy little deals, and we'll definitely look at that. The next one we're going to look at is with the Nexus. They're $16 each. Are the large bottles included? That's the question. $10 reward when you spend $20. Operative devil in the details right there. Having 2 of the $16 bottles, it's $32. Subtracting a $5 digital. With your debit card, you're going to pay $27. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash. Photograph your receipt to fetch. If you have the same rebate as you'll get an extra $5, making it $12 for the 2 or $6 per bottle. And do not use Walgreens cash, as this is a spend offer. And if you were going to do a $60 basket, $32 is halfway there. And this is the fetch rebate that I keep talking about. I think mine resets 4 times. It's to spend $30 on Unilever hair care. That includes Dove, Nexus, get back 5,000 points. I've already done it once last week. So with the Dove and the Nexus this week, a little bit more. Now we're going to be looking at the Old Spice deodorant. If you look at the bottom, it says up to $10 digital. I'm wondering if it's a 10 off 3. And we're not going to know till tomorrow, but in theory, grabbing 3 of these deodorants, that would be $24.47, subtracting that wonderful digital. And again, is it a 10 off 2, 10 off 3? We'll have to see Sunday. Pay $14.47, get back a $5 register reward. IBOTTA has $2 back for each of these deodorants. They have a rebate right now. Make sure you have it loaded, and it's still there on Sunday. So it makes it $3.47 for the 3 or $1.15 per deodorant. That's usually like $8.49 per. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. The Arm & Hammer detergent is on a buy one, get 2 for free. Typically when they have this, it's usually like $8.29 or $7.99 for the 3. It usually shakes it out to $2.66 per product, depending what region you're in. And we also have everybody's favorite, the buy one, get 2 for free on the complete home storage bags. It's usually $2.79 you'll pay for the first, so it shakes it out to 93 cents for each box of 20 food storage bags, which is an excellent stock up price. Okay, let's look at the quick honorable mentions, guys. We have a buy 2, get 1 for free on the M&Ms, 3 for $5.99 on the Kellogg's cereal. Double, triple check, does IBOTTA have rebates for any of this food? A lot of us are trying to get cheap food right now. We have 3 for $9 on the Doritos, so it makes it $3 per bag. I don't know the last time we got the Doritos so cheap if you've gone through all of them, but we certainly have gone through quite a few in the house. My husband and my in-laws, they really enjoy the Doritos. And then we also have my absolute favorite. I think I might run off and marry this, the $3.99 Walgreens paper towel and toilet paper. That paper towel is absolutely fantastic. Do love, and $3.99. They're big, beefy rolls. It's not the chintzy Scots. It's a great price point for that. And we also have the 4 for $16. The Dawn dish soap, the larger ones that are usually $5.99 are included. If you are very unhappy with the new way they've change the formula, you might want to stock up on the older formula, and I saw at many stores they still have some in stock. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye.